siguro naman makikita sa videos na I don't even open it or whatsoever. Talagang buhat ko siya. Paano mo naman nalaman na?
She pulled it out of her bag. You know, Maui, stop lying already kasi alam na lahat ng tao na you're lying na. If you're so comfortable with lying, if you're so comfortable thinking that you really honestly didn't do anything wrong, that's fine with me. You lied to them all. You lied to the staff. You lied to all of them.
I told them I had the phone and the iPod and the camera, which I surrendered the night before.
You did not surrender. Let me
We
clarify.
even-
You did not surrender. It was confiscated. Well, you know what? Here's your chance to talk. Here's your chance to, clear everything out then.
You don't have to stand up and freak out.
Five. Regal speech. Thank you, George.
Ito ang master patience ka para gumawa. Oo. Ayan ba? Ako rin mag-iilang.
Huwag niyong bantayan si Kuya. Maghanap na kayo ng 5 babae na hahalik sa kanya.
Pwede na, pwede. Ate, halika mo naman sa piscina. Sige na, para mo nawa, makalima kami. Shower.
Ayan ang asawa ko!
Ay, yung mga babae, mga pa-cute. Ayoko. Sa ending, umalik rin naman. Feel na feel. 2, 2, 3, go.
Sa wakas natapos na kayo. Puntahan niyo na ang susunod na location.
Sabi ko, Kuya, Englishin mo na yan.
So, in English ko lang na, I'm in a race, man. I need your help, blah, blah, blah. Pumayag naman.
Iba ang karisma na nakuha niyo ah.
Thank you. Outside. Last.
Apat lang ba? 5, di ba?
Lima na, di ba?
Anim.
Isa pa?
Okay na ba? Okay na ba?
Thank you so much, sir.
Jackie and Joanne, chance niyo na para magpahinga.
Ang daya, yung mga bata, tinuturo na kung saan kami punta. Kabuntot sa'yo, doon na rin pupunta. Siyempre nakakainis, dahil pinaghirapan namin kami, naligaw-ligaw pa.
Bilisan niyo Maui and Joyce dahil kayo ang huling dumating.
Thank you so much. Go, Maui and Joyce.
Dito sa resort ay kanya-kanya ng eksena ang mga challengers.
I miss my birds na.
Malungkot.
Meron tayong mga sugatan.
Saan ka napasok?
Sa tambucho na pasok.
Merong nagpapasaway.
Isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, nandito pa rin ako, ang host ng Pasaway. Siyempre, marami akong mga naririnig na mga usapin, mga balita na sumusobrang pagiging pasaway ng ating mga challenger. Kaya andito ako ngayon, Ethel Buba, para sa investigador ng bayan. Investigador ng 2 million. 2 million ito kaya dapat mahigpit.
Sige partner, simulan mo na mag-imbestiga.
Morning. Start na ng challenge. 1 hour pa lang natutulog.
Hindi natutulog na kami, biglang may bumukas ang pinto. Si Ethel, nire-raid yung kwarto namin.
Okay, walang cellphone, hindi pasaway ang grupong ito. Tulog na sila
Hindi ko na rin masyado
Tabi talaga.
naisip
Hindi, nasa gitna
Basta naglagay lang kami ng unan sa gitna namin.
Ikaw naglagay nun.
Naglagay ka rin naman
Hindi
O may unan din doon Dalawang unan na magkatabi.
Dalawa ba yun?
Oo.
Mag-i-investigate lang ako. Sensya na kayo. Kasi nalulungkot ako sa kwarto, gusto ko makitabi kay Dennis. Pwede ba akong mag-goodnight kiss? Wag na nga, baka magalit si Darna. Wala naman. Good night. Sige.
Kapag ako natutulog, meron pang aking mata. Biglang may kumakatok ko. Buwisit na buwisit ako. Kala ko yung SP. May susi naman siya dapat. Pagpasok ko, ang lola, Ethel ko.
Mag-ano na ka, mag-final check lang ako. water. Oh, wala naman. Ayan. Sensya na. Dito ako, Ethel Buba, para sa investigador. Pasok, Ethel! Pasok! Kulit nito. Ay! Takot ko. Kita ng chocolate pizza na tayo. Hindi ka rin pala sa team. Ano ba yan? Mga pakalat-kalat ang mga medyas ito ng mga batang ito. Hi! Ano yan? Bakit ganyan? Patay? Ano nangyari? Wala ba tayong chok? Bakit? Ano nangyari? Uy, baka na-stroke na yan, ha?
Ay nako partner, pakialaman ba pati style ng pagtulog na mag-utol?
Alam mo, huwag na tayo mag-check. Magagaya si Tita Elty. Mababait yan. Pinalaki niya yung honest.
Rico, liwanag dun ah.
Siyempre dito ako for final check.
Open mo yung bag.
Nako Maui, mukhang meron kang lihim na nakatakdang mabuking.
Bawal kasi delikado sa airport. Ay po.
Siguro naman makikita sa videos na I don't even open it or whatsoever. Talagang buhat ko siya.
Talaga? Hindi mo na-surrender to, kanina?
Kaya ako siya kinuha kasi ano ito aking panty liner. Brush ko nandyan.
Si Maui, alam ko sino pinagmamayabang niya pa eh. Yung isang bag ng ng gadgets, sa panty liners daw yun na dun, kaya niya dinala. Palusot yun.
Yung pala iPod.
iPad.
Isang lantarang pagsuway sa Extra Challenge Golden Rule ang ginawa ni Maui.
Hindi ko sinabi kasi, una, syempre sa isip ko, kung sasabihin ko, ano mangyayari sa akin, kahit pa paano naman madidisqualify ako or something like that, at papahamak ko ba yung partner ko, parang, syempre naman, kahit pa paano, partners ka kami, teamwork nga ito, diba? At parang I asked her, like, parang why did you bring it? Kasi may heart condition ako, and if there's something happens to me, I'm gonna need it, ganyan. So parang medyo naintindihan ko. So, okay, you need it for pinalusot mo.
Pinipilit ko sa inyo, magdala ako ng PE. Dahil anytime na bumagsak ako, nasa waiver, you are not liable for my health condition or for whatever na mangyayari sa akin. Hindi liable ang Extra Challenge. Anong magagawa nyo pag dumating yung time na, kunwari, we were continuing this race, inatake ako bigla, bumagsak ako, anong gagawin nyo sa akin?
At bakit naman namin papayagang may mangyari sa'yo?
Where I reacted and where I got angry is that she gave me a text. She sent me a text that she said like parang, I heard na masmang loob mo sa akin, pero sana naintindihan mo na kailangan ko talaga yung Roxy bag, ganito, ganyan. Kasi I'm sure nakita mo naman, hindi ko ginamit yung mga anong gamit dyan sa bag, at kailangan ko talaga yung gumot. Doon ako napikon. Kasi parang for me, sige, you lied naman to the staff and you lied to everyone. Don't lie to me. Give me at least that respect. Kahit ipakita mo sa akin konting remorse, kahit konti, kasi kahit paano, kahit anong sabihin mo, you took away the chance of me. You took away the chance for me to win. You took that away from me.
Dahil sa pangyayaring ito, habang ginagawa namin ang aming interview sa kanila, ay hindi inaasahan ang pagsasagutan ng dalawa.
Actually, nakitext ako.
Actually, yung totoo dyan, hindi. The extra cellphone sa bag niya.
Paano mo naman nalaman yan?
She pulled it out of her bag. You know, Maui, stop lying already kasi alam na lahat ng tao na you're lying na. Alam yung ibang challengers that na you had an extra phone inside your bag. Ako, alam ko, sa taxi pa lang, so tama na. Honestly, tama na. Tumawag ka sa boyfriend mo, tumawag ka sa nanay mo, alam mo, ang galing mo talaga eh. Ang galing mo talaga. Tumawag ka talaga sa boyfriend mo. Kung gusto mo, tingnan natin mga cellphone bills mo. Hindi ka na dinalang ng cellphone dyan sa backpack mo?
No. Wait, let's clear things up.
Oh yes, let's clear things up. Let's go. Yes or no? Did you not bring a cell phone inside your backpack?
I did.
Were you not using your cell phone that you brought inside your backpack that you were bragging to the other challengers at sinabi pa yung ibang challengers that you did not see your secret cell phone that you hid inside your bag?
Okay. You knew the reason why I had to bring my phone. It's because of my medical conditions.
You know, if you weren't willing to follow the rules of the challenge, sana hindi mo tinanggap yung challenge. Ako, umuwi ako
hindi
from...
talaga.
Okay, so yung extra challenge, yung pinilit sa'yo na kasali ka dito.
No. I don't know who booked me for this.
Oh, you don't know?
2 weeks before
okay.
the challenge, I rejected this already.
Okay, so yung taga-extra challenge pininit, you guys forced Maui to do this. At you guys forced her to sign the waiver kasi alam mo, na-sign ka ng waiver eh. It says also in the rules that hindi ka pwede nag-challenge if you do not sign the waiver. You sign the waiver.
I was already there at GMA. Wala na akong magawa. Sinong kasama ko?
So yung tawag-tawag mo sa boyfriend mo, you needed to do that also. That's the reason why. So when you had to call your boyfriend, you also needed to do that. That was a condition mo. Ganun ba? So when you forgot your no, that's totally the point. Because it's because of that we got added minutes. It's because of that sinayang mo yung oras ko. It's because of that sinayang mo yung oras yung extra challenge. Alam mo, it's okay na I didn't say anything already eh. You already lied to everyone. Pero for you to text me and tell me the same story that you told everyone else to the crew, wag mo akong I'm not stupid. And do not insult my intelligence. I am not a stupid girl.
Hindi namin pinagharap ang dalawa para mag-away. Bagkus ay upang bigyan linaw ang issue ng cellphone at pagsuway sa rule.
Okay, dinidikdik mo ako sa cellphone, Joyce. What about the money?
What about the money that you brought na naman? Oh, what?
No.
Ako nadala yung pera? Hindi din. Ikaw, you even told the other challengers, meron kong dalang ng pera, meron kong dalang ng cellphone. So don't even put this on me.
No. I am not putting anything on you. In the first place, hindi ko alam kung bakit ang init ng ulo mo sa akin. Okay?
Guys, she does not know why ang init ko. I'm so pissed off at you. Ang kapal talaga yung mukha mo, alam mo yun? Ang kapal. Mag-sorry ka naman sa lahat yung mga staff dito. Because you keep on freaking lying to everyone.
I don't think so. And accept whatever you say.
All right.
I'm the steadiest person, Joyce.
Okay.
Come on.
All right.
Kahit sigaw-sigawan mo ako, I won't even come across with you. Or whoever, kahit kung sino man ang makaaway ko.
Okay, fine. If you're so comfortable with lying, if you're so comfortable thinking that you really honestly didn't do anything wrong, that's fine with me. You lied to them all. You lied to the staff. You lied to all of them.
I told them I had the phone and the iPod and the camera, which I surrendered the night before.
You did not surrender. Let me clarify. You did not surrender. It was confiscated. Well, you know what? Here's your chance to talk. Here's your chance to, clear everything out then.
You don't have to stand up and freak out.
You know why? I just don't want to be next to you. That's why I'm standing here.
That's okay. No problem.
So then you know why I'm not sitting next to you.
It's all right.
So then don't ask me why. You want to explain, then explain. So everyone can understand why you were special, why you got to bring a phone. Because now it's like you're saying that everyone made you peel it to join this competition. That people made you peel it.
What I was saying was 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks before this race started, I rejected it already. Call my RM, call Viva, call Moises, I already said no to this. No talaga. Ha? No choice na ako. Kinukulit na ako sa phone. Tawag na sila ng tawag sa akin. So parang, even way before that, sabi ko, ayoko talagang sumali dito because I've already seen the episode of kala JC Parker. Sabi ko, there is no way I am gonna do this. Okay? With regards to the fact that I already have a condition. I really cannot. But then Viva booked me for it. Wala akong magawa. But still, a week before I insisted, I was talking to my RM, sabi ko, Tita Herms, ayoko na talaga. I never really wanted to join this. But then the calls were there, so ako parang, fine. To tell you guys honestly, napilitan na talaga akong sumali dito. Pero wala akong sinasabi na pinilit niyo akong sumali or whatsoever. Wala namang pilitan na nangyari. It's just that biglang, oh sige na. Hey Joyce, I've already said sorry for the nth time about the phone and the iPod, which I was willing to send home na meron nga lang nagsabi na there was a phone, pero you know naman for a fact na ipapadala natin talaga yon the following day.
It won't do anything anymore. Kasi wala talaga akong respect para sa kanya eh. Wala. Respect is something that you earn, not something you give. Wala talagang respect sa kanya. Kasi for her to be able to lie in front of everyone to my face and still na parang dinibdib, hindi siya talaga tumawag. Sorry ba yun? Parang hindi na lang. And